Are you looking for the best construction lunchbox in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 10 best construction lunchbox that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 8, Floatfly Small Insulated Lunchbox. The Floatfly reusable lunch bag is an excellent option for those looking for a durable and easy-to-clean lunch bag. Made of 600D polyester and food-grade aluminum foil, the Floatfly lunch bag is padded with extra thick 5mm PE foam and features sturdy zippers. The lunch bag also comes with an ice pack and is roomy enough to hold one normal-sized meal box, snacks, utensils, and one carton of fruit juice. The Floatfly lunch bag is perfect for work, school, picnics, and BBQs. At number 7, Magecto Large Lunchbox. The cooler lunch bag is a great option for those who are looking for a durable and reliable bag to take with them on the go. The bag is made of heavy-duty materials, which makes it ideal for flight attendants, pilots, and other professionals who may be away from home for extended periods of time. The bag also features a number of pockets and compartments, which makes it perfect for storing all of your belongings while on the go. Perhaps best of all, the bag comes with an extra lighter, so if you accidentally damage the lighter, you can easily replace it. If you're looking for a bag that will keep your belongings safe and sound while you're on the go, the cooler lunch bag is a great option to consider. At number 6, Travelisimo Electric Lunchbox. Looking for a lunchbox that can heat up your food in minutes? Look no further than the Hot Meals in Minutes lunchbox. This lunchbox has a 60W power and a leak-resistant seal ring, so you can enjoy a hot meal in just 20 to 30 minutes. Plus, the secure, leak-proof lid helps keep your food safe and spill-free. And if you're on the go, the 110V cable and adapter for car or truck sockets lets you eat anywhere. The Hot Meals in Minutes lunchbox is also BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, and comes with a 1-year warranty. So why wait? Order your Hot Meals in Minutes lunchbox today. At number 5, Coilatron Lunchbox. Coilatron's electric lunchbox stove is the perfect way to cook or reheat your food while on the go. The powerful heating element quickly heats up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for cooking or reheating a variety of food items. The classic lunchbox style design features a durable black ABS exterior with a locking clasp and handle, and a food-safe aluminum interior for long-lasting use. The cord storage hooks on the back of the lunchbox make it easy to keep the 6 feet 12V power cord neatly wrapped and out of the way. The interior and exterior of the lunchbox stove can be easily wiped clean with a damp cloth or sponge and mild dish soap. For even easier cleanup, line the inside of the lunchbox with aluminum foil, a foil pan, or an oven bag. At number 4, HSD Lunchbox. Are you looking for a durable, reliable, and stylish lunch bag? Look no further than the line of lunch bags from Tactical Outdoors. With a variety of colors and styles to choose from, you'll be sure to find the perfect lunch bag to fit your needs. The materials used in Tactical Outdoors lunch bags are of the highest quality, ensuring that your food will stay hot or cold for hours. The waterproof shell and leak-proof lining will keep your drinks at the perfect temperature, and the mall webbing is perfect for attaching storage pouches or clipping carabiners. Tactical Outdoors lunch bags are perfect for men, women, and now kids. They're lightweight and easy to carry, so you can take them to work or on any adventure. Plus, they're tested against rigorous standards that are actually based on the founder's real military experience. So what are you waiting for? Order your Tactical Outdoors lunch bag today. At number 3, Klein Tools Lunchbox. This lunchbox is great for keeping your food cool and fresh for up to 30 hours. The main compartment has a 17-quart capacity and can hold up to 18 cans, making it perfect for packing a large lunch or picnic. The cooler also supports up to 300 pounds, so it can double as a handy place to sit. The inside storage compartment is perfect for holding items like your phone, medicine, keys, napkins, and utensils, and the lid opens full 180 degrees for easy access. The lid also stays open at 90 degrees to allow uninterrupted access, and the stainless steel hinged lid is recessed to accommodate 1-liter water bottles. The shoulder strap holds the lid in place while carrying and easily converts to a handle, and the lock hasp fits. At number 2, Carhartt Lunchbox. The Carhartt Deluxe Dual Compartment Insulated Lunch Cooler Bag is a great lunchbox for bringing to work or the job site. The main compartment is insulated to keep your food cold and is large enough to hold a six-pack. The top dome has a separate insulated compartment to keep your food organized and protected. The Carhartt Deluxe lunch cooler bag also has a front zippered compartment that is perfect for storing utensils and condiments. This lunchbox is made of heavy-duty water-repellent material and features YKK zippers, metal hardware, triple needle stitching, an ID tag, and the Carhartt logo patch. At number 1, Arctic Zone Lunchbox. The deep freeze high-performance insulation with radiant heat barrier is a great way to keep your food and drinks cold. The patented, flip-open zipperless lid allows for quick access to your food and drinks. The FDA-compliant Hardbody liner with removable smart shelf is leak-proof and easy to clean. The Rhinotech water and stain-resistant, white-clean exterior is abrasion and puncture-resistant and will not crack over time. The deep freeze is a great way to keep your food and drinks cold and your hands free. I would highly recommend the deep freeze to anyone who is looking for a high-quality, durable cooler. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.